Hello friends. So the part next part of the performance tuning is wait stats. So many queries waiting for some resources. What are the wait types? How many types in SQL Server? How can we get rid of this wait types by configuring SQL Server and all? So waits in SQL Server. So basically there are many waits in SQL Server. Approx thousands plots of wait type in SQL Server. Okay, that we can categorize in many ways, like CS packet and all. List of top, we can say that this is a list of top wait types. Okay, and here is very frequently used wait types. Okay, mostly you can see in your environment. CS packet, backup IO, latches, page IO latches, page latches, resource semaphore, and write log. So these are very frequently wait types in SQL Server. Okay, so we can discuss these along with the solution in the next part because this is a short or intro. Okay, the intro video for the wait type. Okay, and the next video I will bring with we can say that so after completing the wait type, okay, I will upload or I can describe about the monitoring and performance tuning of database using DMBs end to end. Okay, basically along with the solutions or how can we query that. Okay, so this is a intro about that wait type in SQL Server. Okay, so we'll see in practical all the wait type. How can we resolve that? Okay, what are the steps? What are the DMBs we can use to get the data? Okay, so stay tuned. Please stay with the channel. Okay, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe, comment, and share with your colleagues. So we will cover two performance tuning part full end to end in next couple of days, like wait types and monitoring with the DMBs along with the solutions. What are the wait types and how we can get rid of this? Okay, thank you for watching.